मेरे प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, मेरे चैनल में सबका स्वागत है। आज मैं एक पोएम के बारे में बताऊंगा, द वॉइस ऑफ द रेन, जो वर्ल्ड व्हाइटमैन द्वारा लिखा हुआ है। तो बने रहिए मेरे प्यारे विद्यार्थियों। वर्ल्ड व्हाइटमैन्स द वॉइस ऑफ द रेन is a free verse poem which celebrates rain and its natural cycle for the benefit of earth and life. Furthermore, the poem is an imaginary dialogue presented between two souls of this nature. One is our poet and the other speaker is the soft showering raindrops. The poet exchanges thoughts with the rain showers. The rain identifies herself as the poem of earth. She showers her blessings upon the earth. The raindrops make a beautiful sound when she falls on our earth. According to the poet, she has her own language. In the last lines of the poem, the poet makes out that the voice of the rain is similar to a song. The raindrops purify the day, earth, and then returns to her actual place. Okay friends, so let's start our poem, The Voice of the Rain. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which strange to tell gave me an answer, as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same. I descend to lave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin, and make pure and beautify it. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, reckoned or unreckoned, duly with love returns. Dear friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it to your more friends. Thank you.